Hello friends, today we will discuss bound of an integral of a bounded function. If we have a bounded function, then what is the bound of an integral, right? Now, let us define if a function f is bounded in such a way that mod of f is bounded by capital M, then can we say that integral of fx from limit a to infinite is bounded by limit a to infinite integral mod of fx dx, which is also bounded by integral of a to infinity m dx. That means that if we have a function's bound is m, then the integral bound is also m or not. We will prove it or conclude that the function, if a function is bounded, then the integral is also bounded by the function's bound. Now, since we have a function f which we have form absolute value property, this will mod of f is bounded by mod of n, and which is greater than equals to minus of mod of f, right? No, so then taking the integral of this is that integral of a to infinite minus of mod of fx dx is less than equals to integral of a to infinite fx dx is less than equals to mod of integral of fx dx, right? Now the right one is said that mod of fx is bounded by m. This one is bounded by m, so this implies that if we take capital M in this area, then it will implies that mod integral of this is bounded by m, right? Now, and for this is also true for m, but when we put m, then the integral becomes, the value of integral is m. We do not take directly to infinite limit, right? So we will take limit t tending to infinite 0 to t a to t m dx, right? So then we can follows by taking the limit mt, which is a to infinite, put it, so m of a, right? This is bounded by m of a, so this implies that integral is bounded by m of a.